To add a fun comic effect to your photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, tap comic thumbnail. Choose where to apply the effect. You can apply this effect to the whole image, to background only, or to subject only. As the example, we will apply this effect to the whole image. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more dramatic and cartoon-like the effect becomes, with bolder outline and more vivid colors. If you are happy with the result, tap Done button and then tap Save to save the change. As you can see, the comic effect has been added to the whole image. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.